So, hello and welcome back for another version show up. Kaboom, shikaboom, and here we have it, version 0.8. Let's say this today, since I don't. You see, nothing happens here, but in the background you have the code, and just to see where it is, you click F12 on the keyboard and boom, you have it. Okay, F12 again, it disappears. And because this window will one day be the window we extract the code from here. Oh no, it doesn't work, of course. Sorry. Let's take this again. Yeah, this is a bug, I can tell you. So we have to work on this. So in normal, usual way, this is not what you're going to see when you type inside an address. You're going to be in this way. And if you click F12 again, it will be here. So what we just saw was some kind of bug, and we have to figure it out. But my point is, here is some kind of code, and what will be most interesting for you or us will be displayed here. So that's why we made this little adjustment. So this is just one step further, okay? Nothing new, nothing big, but small improvement, and one day I hopefully will show you something more than just this blank page. Yeah, and by the way, when you also stand here and in this situation when it works, you can also this time use Control A to highlight the address bar in normal way as Control L. And let's say we jump back here and we move here. Can we move Control A as well? Yes, we can. That's if we just want to take all part and copy of it somehow, but I don't know if that works. Yeah, it seems to work. Yeah, so thank you for this time, and slowly I think we will see something more than just this hex code or HTML code or whatever it is. Okay, super of you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.